In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new ChatGPT search history feature. This tool is a game changer for those who frequently use ChatGPT and need to revisit past conversations quickly. Whether for information retrieval, project continuity, or simply picking up where you left off, this feature will significantly boost your productivity and ease of use. Let's walk through how to make the most of this handy feature together. First, start by opening your web browser and heading over to Google. If you have it bookmarked, that's even better. Once you're on Google's homepage, you'll want to locate that familiar search bar. Inside it, type ChatGPT. As you hit enter, Google will present you with a list of search results. Here, you'll be looking for the official ChatGPT website. This should typically be the first or one of the top results. Go ahead and click on it to open the website in a new tab or window, depending on your browsing preferences. Next, once you're on the ChatGPT website, cast your eyes to the left sidebar. Here you will find various navigation options, and among them should be a little magnifying glass icon. This icon is your gateway to the search history feature. Click on that icon to open up the search tool interface. Now that you have the search tool at your disposal, it's time to put it to work. In the search bar provided, type in any keywords or phrases from the conversation you're looking to revisit. Maybe it's a project name, a unique term discussed, or a specific date you remember. Anything that distinctly identifies the conversation you need. As you type, the tool will quickly sift through your past interactions with ChatGPT to find matches. This process helps hone in on exactly what you're after without manually scrolling through extensive chat histories. Once the tool displays a list of search results, navigate through them to find the exact conversation you need. When you've located the right one, you simply click on that result. This action will seamlessly take you directly back into that particular chat session. It's like stepping back in time to continue a conversation as though you never left. And there you have it. You now know how to utilize the ChatGPT search history feature to efficiently manage and navigate through your past conversations. This tool serves as not only a time saver, but also a way to enhance your interaction experience with ChatGPT, ensuring that important information is always just a quick search away. If you have any questions or if any part of the process is unclear, feel free to drop a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I hope this makes your ChatGPT experience even better.